Good morning. How are you? Very good. Very good.
Where you from?
Canada.
Wow.
Me Canada say.
That's nice. Where you are from? What purpose you are here?
To visit you.
Just
to visit you.
nice meeting you. What's your name?
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
हमें भी अच्छा लगा.
मेरा नाम डेनी है.
Denis.
ये.
D-H-A-N-I.
D-N-I-S.
D-N-I.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's
This is
go.
Sanjay. I'm Sanjay.
Sanjay.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Nice
Same
meeting
here.
you.
Where you are staying here?
Hotel.
Which hotel?
Radisson.
Radisson, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice hotel?
Very nice.
Nice property?
Very nice. Yeah. But poor internet. No internet.
No internet here?
No.
That's not nice.
No.
No. Are you alone? You alone?
Yeah.
How do you like Shimla?
I love it. Yeah.
Stay here.
I wasn't planning to come here, but I came here, so I'm staying here.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
I think I'm going to move here.
Take care and have fun.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend.
How much does it cost?
$2. No, around 400. Canada, me Canada. मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
बहुत अच्छी है.
बस थोड़ा सा. Yeah.
Canada, which place?
New Brunswick, east part of New Brunswick. Yeah. It's like 12 hours driving to Ontario. You know Ontario? Yeah. A lot of Punjabi people are in Ontario.
My brother-in-law is also in there.
Oh yeah, he is. Okay. You speak good English. You speak good English.
Thanks.
Yeah. You're from Shimla?
Yes.
Indy? Yeah. Okay. अच्छा.
Nice to meet you.
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Same here.
Have a nice day, my friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.